Hi, my name is Marine. I'm a piano teacher for online rock lessons. In today's video, I'm going to teach you a few secrets to get your piano playing sound more pop. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to never miss a new video. And I also added a link in the description so you can access a bunch of free courses. So make sure you check it out. All right, let's get started. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the chord progression 1, 6, 4, 5 in C major. So we're going to have C major chord, C, E, and G, A minor chord, A, C, and E, F major chord, F, A, C, and G major chord, G, B, and D. So the first example I'm going to use is using a sus2 chord. So what is a sus2? A sus2 is going to replace the third of the chord with the second of the chord, just like this. So instead of playing a C major chord with the third right here, we're going to use D here. So it creates this kind of suspension in the music. And the trick here is to use the sus chord of the first degree on the whole chord progression. Check it out. A minor, F. These chords sound so good because on each chord, they actually change notes. Because on C major, it's a sus2 chord. But when I go to A minor, we kind of have like the third, the minor third, the 4, and the 7 here. It's another chord. Or if I go to F, this would be the 5th of the chord, the 6th, and the 9 of F. And going to C major, this is the 4th, so it's kind of a suspended 4 on G major, the 5th, and the 1, like this. So it works on each chord. And you can use this in the different octaves, only those string notes. Just like this. Now for the second idea, it goes a little bit like this, but instead of using the sus2, we're going to use the add 9. So the add 9 doesn't replace the third, we just add the second or the 9 of the chord, just like this. So we're going to keep E and we're going to add the 2 here. And we're going to do the same thing on each chord. So we're going to add the 9 note on each chord, and it sounds so good because it sounds exactly like a pop song. So very simple. Let's do the exercise on the root position for each chord. So we have C, add 9, going to A minor, like this, so sad. So we have A, B, C, and E. Going to F, just like that. G major with the A. And now what if I use more complex chord inversion instead? So we could go like this, going maybe like this for A minor, F, and G. So that is an example of what you can do with add 9. Now the last one I want to talk about is using sixth in your playing. So a sixth is an interval of 6 notes. So from C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like this. So we could play the whole major scale like this using only sixth. If we do the same thing using that on different chord, we can have something very interesting like so what did I just play? All right, so I started from a C using the add 9, and here I used the sixth. So we have E and C, going down in a sixth, going down in another sixth here. And I like to use these kind of notes because this one works too. It creates just a different melody if we skip this one like this. We could do the same thing on A minor, maybe higher here. That's a beautiful pattern to learn. Maybe on F and on G. So what if I use a little bit of everything and I try to do a beautiful piano accompaniment? It could go like this.